Hello guys and welcome to Top 4 channel. If you've ever thought of making money using your unused internet, here is video proof that I earned over $780 without doing anything. All I did was let an app consume my unused data. In return, the app paid me. Doesn't that sound interesting? Watch this video to learn the best way to monetize your internet connection. If you watch the entire video, you'll make over $400 passively by simply sitting back and relaxing. Here is a video to get you started. First, head over to this website and install the app. You get paid for letting the app consume your unused data. They provide a calculator for estimating your potential earnings. For example, if you have 3 devices, let them use your 2 gigabytes of data and you could earn around $36 a month. In my experience, if you have 10 devices and let them use your 10 gigabytes of data a day, you could earn $600 per month, which is a decent amount. They say it is an estimated amount per month, but from what I have seen, they'll usually pay around $520 a month, which is also a decent amount. As soon as you use your device normally, this app will consume your data in the background. I suggest using this app at night while you sleep. I followed the same process for earning those dollars. Now let's look at the sign up process. Click on the Create Account button up here to register. After you provide all your information, you will receive a confirmation email. To verify your account, click on the confirmation link in the email. You will receive a $5 reward once you log in and join the website. This is a very nice gift from me. Here, you can choose to make a payout. Since you have already received $5, you only need to earn $15 to receive payment. You can earn money by selling your data and by referring friends on this website. By referring friends and family members, you can make money by earning $5 plus 10% of their lifetime income after they make a payment. Now let me show you how to earn money by selling your unused internet data. Getting the app is as easy as clicking the download button. The app is available for most operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iPhone. Once you've downloaded the app, grant it the necessary permissions, and you're done. Just sit back and relax. Relax and watch your earnings increase automatically. I know you may have some questions about this website, but I want to assure you that it is completely safe. They will never share your IP address with anyone. Many organizations use your internet for research purposes, and this website is called Repocket. Let's chat about how you can make money from this website assuming you have unlimited internet or Wi-Fi at your home. I hope you found this video useful. This Top 4 channel, make sure to subscribe and hit like button. Thanks for watching. See you in next videos.